Let's learn this product motion graphics in CapCut. First, import all the files that download link in video description. Drag and drop background image. Then set timeline duration according to your project. Drag and drop first chips layer, then add position keyframe and move it top out of canvas. Hold shift while dragging to make straight. Move further and bring back the chips. Position keyframe will automatically apply it on this layer. Add text layer and add simple animation in it. Split the background, then apply pendulum effect. Adding simple animation, so follow my steps. You can use any preset animation that you like, but always remember simple effects are more professional. Also add pendulum effect on the background objects. Split the layer. Add a rotation keyframe, then move further and change rotation value, but remember the rotation value to apply on other chips layers. This time, add -8 rotation value to move left side. Split layer and add another chips layer here. Our previous chip's layer rotation value was -8, so this layer also will start with -8 rotation value to +8. Add rotation keyframe, then move further and change rotation value to +8. Same process for other layers, so I am speeding up the video to not let you bore. Please subscribe and like for more tutorials. This is how it will look like. Cut out excess background and add new background. Apply transition effect between two backgrounds. Add logo, then apply simple zoom in animation in it. Split the logo where the animation is ending to apply new effect on this layer called explosion effect. Please subscribe and like for more tutorials. Thank you.